everyone, welcome back to Shruti-verse. So I have secured AIR 69 Jam Biotechnology, AIR 107 in GATE Excel, and I have also cleared TIFR GS Biology written exam. I have also given interviews at ISER Pune and TIFR Mumbai online. And today I'll be sharing my interview experience at IISc Bangalore offline for integrated PhD. So it was held on 20th of May and मुझे 9 AM का slot given हुआ था and हम सभी को 15 minutes prior पहुँचने को बोला गया था and I was before time only. So around 9:20 हमें attendance के लिए लेके गया and उसके बाद after attendance I got to know that there are 15 to 20 of us. And we were divided into two committees, committee 1 and committee 2. I was in committee 2, so and also way behind in the queue. And there were many fellow mates जो already मतलब जिससे मैंने already PW result celebrations में देखा था already. एक दो जन वैसे familiar थे and after one or two of us got interviewed and which was for approximately 30 minutes long. That is सभी का interview minimum 30 minutes तो चला है or more than that. So after one or three of us got done with the interviews, everyone was curious and asking questions like आपको क्या पूछा, तुम्हें क्या पूछा. So everyone was like this. So starting में तो everyone was very silent. I will also share a reel on IISc interview experience का all the views and all the clips which I have recorded. And like everyone was nervous. It was a nervous atmosphere out there and I was way behind in the queue. So the interview started at around 10 AM and मेरा time आया था around 12:30. So you could guess कि मेरा कितना last में था and मेरे बाद एक या दो जन का ही बचा होगा. And like people was asked questions from evaluation, allele frequency, Hardy-Weinberg principle, developmental biology, everything, chemistry, physics and like probability questions, everything was asked. And how could I like how much I could figure out that एक committee room में at least 8 to 9 teachers थे और professors थे. And first of all जैसे we enter the interview room and they ask us like first of all they introduce ourselves according to the application which was submitted, like 10th में क्या थे, 12th में क्या percentage थे, graduation में क्या subjects थे and everything, and what is the JAM rank and क्या criteria से we were selected for the interview. All the information was shared by one person. After that they asked what are the 3 subjects of your interest or 3 subjects जिससे हम question पूछेंगे तो you will be comfortable. So I answered molecular biology, biochemistry and genetics. So genetics को मैंने last में रखा था क्योंकि मुझे developmental biology से questions नहीं चाहिए थे to be honest. And so मुझसे सबसे पहले बायोकेमिस्ट्री से क्वेश्चन किया गया एंड हाउ लाइक जितना मुझे समझ आया कि जो प्रोफेसर्स जिस डिपार्टमेंट के थे उसी डिपार्टमेंट से क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे थे अकॉर्डिंग टू आर इंटरेस्ट. तो सबसे पहले बायोकेमिस्ट्री से क्वेश्चन पूछा गया दैट व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट लेवल्स ऑफ प्रोटीन स्ट्रक्चर विच वॉज प्राइमरी, सेकेंडरी, टर्शरी एंड क्वाटरनरी. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन वॉज टू एक्सप्लेन ऑल द स्ट्रक्चर्स विथ लाइक बॉन्डिंग एंड ऑल. And third question was what are the techniques which you know to separate or to purify proteins. This was the question. And after that they asked what do you mean by size exclusion chromatography. I answered. And after that they asked कि अगर दो proteins है which one will be eluted first. So I answered कि size exclusion chromatography में the larger one will be eluted first. And the very next question was if I give you 2 proteins with same size, like the molecular weight is same and one is of like a dipeptide and other is a tetrapeptide and you have to figure out कौन सा पहले elute होगा. So this was one of the questions. इसके बाद they asked me to draw a dipeptide on the board. After that they moved to molecular biology. The very first question from molecular biology was the difference between DNA polymerase and RNA polymerase, like how they work. And the second question was the difference between replication and transcription, not the usual ones but a little bit different differences between them or the most basic ones I should say. इसके बाद मुझसे बोला गया कि आप एक लैक ओपरॉन बनाओ. सो लैक ओपरॉन मैंने बनाया एंड देन दे आस्क्ड व्हाट इज़ द इंड्यूसर एंड देन दे आस्क्ड द मैकेनिज्म कि उसके पीछे का क्या मैकेनिज्म है. एंड देयर वाज अ क्वेश्चन कि अगर हम तुम्हें रिप्रेसर दे दें और ऑपरेटर दे दें तो ये कैसे प्रूव होगा कि रिप्रेसर बाइंड्स टू द ऑपरेटर. आई वाज अ लिटिल कंफ्यूज्ड इन दिस क्वेश्चन एंड इसके बाद द इंटरव्यू एंडेड एंड इट वाज क्वाइट ठीक ठाक. आई वुड नॉट से ग्रेट बट इट वाज ओके. ऑल्सो मैंने बाकी लोगों से पूछा तो उनका भी ठीक ठाक गया. दे वर हेल्पिंग एंड वन ऑफ द फेलोमेट्स टोल्ड मी दैट उनसे पूछा गया था कि सिंगल स्ट्रैंडेड डीएनए और डबल स्ट्रैंडेड डीएनए में कैसे डिफ्रेंशिएट करेंगे एंड द आंसर वाज एब्जॉर्बेंस एंड द ग्राफ विच इज प्लॉटेड according to the absorbance chord. So this was all it for IISc Bangalore interview. I have a different news to share with you guys that the first list of IIT JAM counseling is out and I have selected in the priority IIT Bombay, so I have got IIT Bombay. Now I am waiting for IISc Bangalore's result, then I could decide whether to choose IISc Bangalore or IIT Bombay. Also, this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any other further doubts you can comment down below or you can reach out through Telegram, Instagram, or you can also email. The email ID, Telegram link or the Instagram link is already given in the channel's descriptions. Any further thing if you want me to share, please do comment. And that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.